ग्लोबल स्पोकन इंग्लिश फर्राटेदार अंग्रेजी बोलना सीखें।
My respected teacher and my all dear friend, a beautiful good morning to all of you. This is firstly I would like to thank my respected teacher who gave me a golden chance to speak in front of you. This is Suryanath Chauhan. I belong to Manikpur Zamin Hajipur and I am learning English speaking from Global Spoken English. Today I am going to tell about importance of English language. English language is too much important on this day. English language plays an essential role in our life to communicate each other. And it is the main language for studying any subject all over the world. And English is spoken by around 360 million people around the world and taught in 118 countries. And English is most important for students. Their minds develop emotion skills and improving the self and providing a job and opportunities. And English is becoming more and more common in the world as a result. And increasing people are dedicating time to study English as their second language. In fact, many countries include their school syllabus to teach children to this language. And English is most important for improving ourselves and learning a bright future. And English is most important for growing our future. And why must we learn the English? Because first of all, it is a global language and English can help you get a job easily, and English can help you get a job easily, and it is official language of 53 countries, and it is also language of internet. It will help you connect with people easily. And similarly, it is also essential the world of business. And now I would like to share my journey of learning English speaking. Before few months I didn't know English. Then I joined Global Spoken English and I did smart work. Then I improved my English. If you want to learn English, so you can also learn English by this institute and by phone also. There are 4 types concept too much important for learning English. First one is writing, second one is reading, and third one is listening, and fourth one is speaking. So everyone should learn English. Now I want to say something Hindi. मंजिल अभी दूर है, रुकना नहीं. मंजिल अभी दूर है, रुकना नहीं है. आएगी मुश्किलें हजार, हमें झुकना नहीं है. Now I would like to finish my topic. Thank you very much to listen my speech.